nakakairita. Mga tanga. Sino makakapag-promote? Ano na kayo nag-ano? Hey, Z, hello. What's wrong? I have a problem. Uh, they gave my OPK late, and I didn't have time to promote it. So I have problem. I have no supporter because I didn't have time to promote it because of them. Tanga ina nila. So, nakakawalang gana pag ganun, tang ina nila. Y16, hello. Hi, Nicole. Nakabisit kayo. Nakakabisit. Can you unblock my old, then I can support you? Weh. What's your main? What's your old? And why did I block you? Did you do something bad? Mainit talaga ulo ko kasi 'di ba, ang late na nilang sinend sa akin yung PK ko. Hindi ako nakapag-promote, wala tuloy akong supporter. Kasi actually, pag may PK yung host kasi nila, dapat ano yon, a few days ago pa lang nila yung dapat sinend. Hindi yung ano, yung PK ko 20, ay yung PK ko Monday, tas isi-send nila linggo. 'Di ba? Wala nang time. Thank you, ID. Wala nang time. Wala nang time mag-promote. Mahirap mag-promote, guys. Thank you, ID. Ito. Diba? Mahirap mag-promote. Sajid? Sajid, I will find your name. Why did I block you? Did you do something bad? ID, thank you. Ikaw kasi, ang tagal mo kasi, 2-7 na, putang ina. Filipino time ka talaga, bagang mama mo. Ano ba yung bagang mama no? Bagang mama mo. Wait lang ah. Mahirap talaga mag-type pag may nails. ID. Fake account yan. Baka ano, gumawa siguro siya ng bagong account. ID. Wait lang. Ano na? Nagpapatagal pa kayo. Ano na? Ano na? Sajid, please find and unblock. I will try to find you. Ay, wait. Parang